This is the new generation Hyundai Kona. It's coming soon down under, so let's take a closer look. The all-new Kona has grown up. It's bigger, it's got more tech, and it was designed from the ground up as an EV first. There will still be petrol versions though, a 2-litre base model and a turbo 1.6 that will power N-line versions. Inside there's a cleaner, higher quality cabin with twin 12.5-inch screens which deliver upgraded infotainment. You can use your smartphone as a key, and the car is all ready for over-the-air updates. There are 2 battery sizes coming in the EV version, with the largest delivering around 480 kilometre range. But the big story is the claimed improvements in refinement. Hyundai says the Kona is quieter, even in the ICE versions. There's been a big effort to improve NVH from a stiffer body right through to sound deadening and powertrain refinements. More safety kit is standard, including a centre airbag for the first time. LED headlights are standard also across the range. In fact, Hyundai's ticked most of the boxes, so you don't have to. We're expecting the basic ICE versions of the new Kona to arrive down under around the middle of the year. The EV and N-line versions will be later in 2023.